Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video, we are going to understand how to send Facebook Messenger chat messages in Microsoft Excel. So here let's suppose that I have a kitchen supplies business and to promote it, I've created a Facebook page. So my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new message on my page, then I want to add the same message details in my Microsoft Excel worksheet. So now to do this, I need to create an integration between these two applications, for which I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. So now to do this, here my trigger application will be Facebook Messenger and my action application will be Microsoft Excel. So if you want to learn more about this, follow me through the screen. In this video, we are going to understand how to send Facebook Messenger chat messages in Microsoft Excel. So here let's assume that I have a kitchen supplies business and to promote it, I'm using Facebook. So here on Facebook, I've created a page by the name of Kitchen Cuddles. So my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new message on my page, then I want to add the details in Microsoft Excel. So now I need to build an integration between these two applications. So this here is the homepage of Pabbly Connect, and now as an existing user, I'm going to sign in. But if you're a new user, you can click on the sign up for free button and every month you will get 100 tasks for free. So as an existing user, I'm going to sign in. This here is the all applications page by Pabbly. So here I will go to Pabbly Connect and click on access now to reach my dashboard. So this here is my dashboard, and now in order to create a new workflow, I will go to my right hand side corner and click on this create workflow button. So now in this dialog box appearing, I'm going to give my workflow a name. So here I've named it as send Facebook Messenger chat messages in Microsoft Excel. And on my left hand side, you can see that these are the folders which I've created before. So I want to save this workflow in the folder named as Facebook Messenger, and now here I'm going to click on create. So as I did that, now I have arrived on a very important window which consists of trigger and action. Basically, trigger and action are the two most important principles or concepts of Pabbly Connect on which this entire automation and integration will depend. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So action is an automated response of a trigger application, and in a workflow, you can only have one trigger but multiple action applications. So now moving to my use case, that is to send Facebook Messenger chat messages in Microsoft Excel. So here in my trigger window, I'm going to search for Facebook Messenger as my trigger application, and here it is. And now the trigger event will be new message sent to page. So this trigger will start working whenever a new message will be sent to my page. And here moving to my action window, as I want to add the details in Microsoft Excel, so here I'm going to search for Microsoft Excel, and here it is. So now the action event will be to add row to worksheet. So this will help me to add the data in a new row. So now as I've selected my action application and the action event along with my trigger application and the trigger event. So my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new message on my Facebook page, then automatically I want to add the message details in my Microsoft Excel worksheet. So now to do this, firstly I need to establish a connection between Facebook Messenger and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on connect. And now to add a new connection, you just have to click on connect with Facebook Messenger. I've logged into my Facebook account in one of the tabs. And here you can see that the authorization was successful. So Pabbly Connect and Facebook Messenger is successfully connected. So now moving to the Facebook page part. Here I need to select the Facebook page from the drop down. So this here is the Facebook page that I've created by the name of Kitchen Cuddles. So here I'm going to select the page as Kitchen Cuddles. And once I've done that, here I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request. So as I did click on Save and Send Test Request, it means now I need to do a test submission or record so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. That means in order to do a test submission, I need to send a message to my Facebook page. So I'm going to the incognito window and I'm going to use my another account to send the message on my Facebook page. So here this is my another account that is by the name of Devin Parker. So now here you can see that I've opened my page that is by the name of Kitchen Cuddles, and now I'm going to send a message. So here I'm going to frame the message as I would like to know more about modular kitchen, and now I'm going to send this. So here you can see that the message has been sent to my page. That means this message would have been sent to Pabbly Connect as well. So now I'm going to take you to Pabbly Connect. And yes, here in the response received, you can see that I have received the response. So here is the name, here's the first name, last name, Here is the link for the profile picture along with some other details, and this here is the message that I've sent from my another account to my Facebook page. So that means the message which I've sent to my page is successfully captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So the first objective of this automation is setup. That means now whenever a new message will be sent to my page, then automatically that will get captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So this trigger will instantly capture the new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. So as I've got the message details over here in Pabbly Connect, now I want to add the same in my Microsoft Excel worksheet. So here I'm going to click on Connect. And now to add a new connection, I'm simply going to click on Connect with Microsoft Excel as I've already opened my worksheet in one of the tabs. So here I'm going to click on Accept as this is a secure access. And here you can see that the authorization was successful. So now here after selecting the workbook, here this is my drive ID and this here is the worksheet, so it has automatically been detected. So now moving to the first name, last name and the message part. So here to do this, I'm going to use a method that is called as mapping. So basically mapping is to insert the data from previous step. So here I'm going to map it from the response that I have received. So now here I'm going to map the message as well, and this here is the message and I have mapped it. So basically this method of mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, so that response can be taken into consideration in these fields. If I would have written this information manually, in that case this information could have become static, which means that it wouldn't change even if I would have received a new response. So to avoid that problem, we map the information. So now here as I've mapped the details, I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request. And here you can see that I have received a response and this here is a positive response. That means the details of this message would have been added in my Microsoft Excel sheet. So here's the first name, last name and the message. So this integration and automation is a successful one. That means now whenever a new message will be received on my page, then automatically that will be added in a new row in my Microsoft Excel sheet. Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you have any doubts regarding Pabbly, reach us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can visit us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related query, you can visit this link. So if you like this video, please share it with your friends and colleagues and do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.